mitaki onchiri uria ni murutwo wa mwaka wa gatatu thukuru-ini wa Chuka University niwe Muhotani wa Mbitika iria ciakorirwo kana ciraharereirwo ni kabuni ya ukinyaniria ya safaricom.Mbitika ici ciakorirwo ikiambĩrĩria mweri wa Oktoba nginyagia mweri wa Dithemba mwaka muhituku na kuria akorirwo agitugwo na kimajika kia muigana wa ciringi ngiri magana matano mbeca baribari oro ũndũ ũmwe na gari mutheba wa mazda demio.
From Chuka University, taking Bachelor of Science in Physics. Actually, most of in my time, I get from class, nakaa tu chini instead of sleeping. I just naingia online kiasi, nacheza game, juu siwezi pita a day without playing a game. Because sometimes so ni relieve nini like kunitoa stress kiasi kucheza game, na most of the time huko na competition ziko juu, so the part of competition zina make the games zinakuwa more fun. So like the challenge arena tukianza tulikuwa very few in October, but the number ikaanza ku increase and the challenge was more tough, so ikabidi ni like hata mimi nianze kutafuta like a strategy ya kuanza kuwin hii 500 juu ni juu kikaa tu kidogo hivi hauwezi pata. So per day nikaanza kusema like asubuhi nitakuwa nacheza 2 hours, then jioni napita tena 2 hours, so total per day I was playing like 4 hours per day na ensure that aje niko either top 1, top 2 or top 3.
So we launched the Safaricom Hook platform for the youth in October, and the essence was to try and provide a platform where the youth are able to really express themselves. Your passion points are, if it's music, how do we create a platform for you on music? If it's football, how do we create a platform for you, like we are doing with Chapadimba? But not just giving you that platform, leveraging technology so that even if you're in Chuka, you can play it the same way someone in Moyale would be able to play it. If we did not have technology, we would say you have to come and play the game in Junction, isn't it? In a very specific place. But technology allows us to ensure that everybody, wherever you are, you can be able to participate. So Safaricom Hook now will allow us to do that, to go across the country, create awareness, so that the youth can be able to actually enjoy all this.